Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix a frozen or unresponsive Redmi 17. First of all, you're gonna have to press and hold the power button and keep it held for about 11 seconds until your device's screen goes off. Once your device's screen goes off, leave it like this and either wait for the Xiaomi logo to appear on your screen, or if the Xiaomi logo doesn't appear on your screen after like 15 seconds of waiting, simply hold down the power button until your phone vibrates. Then release the power button and let your smartphone restart. And this way you will unfreeze your Redmi. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.